Well, good morning. So where am I today? I am on the Bishop Pass Trail. Probably a good time to talk about what do I do to prepare for long hikes. This Sunday, we're going to be starting off at Kennedy Meadows going north for 500 miles. So that's a long hike. It should take us about 6 or 7 weeks or so to do that. So what have I been doing to get ready for that? One, a lot of people I've watched have talked about joining a gym, doing boxes where you step up on a box, doing leg presses, doing squats. I don't belong to a gym. What I do at home, and what I've been doing at home, is to fill my backpack up with about 30 pounds worth of dumbbells. Now I pad those with some old pillows, so they're not sticking right in my back. And I walk around we live out in the country, and it goes up and down hills. So I walk around that for 3 hours or so, trying to get my joints, hips, knees, just ankles, plantar fascia used to carrying that weight. So part 2 is coming up to altitude. I've watched a lot of videos about the JMT and the PCT. It's rare that somebody talks about altitude. Altitude is 10,000 feet, 11. Forest to Pass is 13.4, 13.2. I'm right at about 10,006 right here. So getting used to the altitude is really important. It's just one less thing you have to deal with on a long hike. I never was one who would get coughing or just short of breath. I can tell when I don't sleep well the first night. I'll just kind of lay in bed and be wide awake. So that's kind of altitude mountain sickness in some ways. And it gets better. It takes about 3 or 4 days to get used to it. So I slept in the van last night at 8,300 feet. And I woke up for about an hour. Wasn't bad. Then I went back to sleep. So, one, getting used to the altitude. Coming up 2 or 3 or 4 days before you've got a hike. And just relax or go on day hikes. Number 2, getting used to the pack weight. There is no substitute. Stair climbers won't do it. The Gauntlet, Stairmaster, none of that compares to walking up a steep hill with your backpack on. Nothing takes that place. So at altitude. So those are my 2 recommendations for anybody who wants to get in shape for a at altitude long hike. So if I see some pretty pictures of the Bishop Pass, I'll throw them in here. So I'm sorry, but isn't this pretty? Holy cow. Look at where I am. So right there is Bishop Pass. So you kind of go and you wiener up in here, and there's some cliffs, and you go up and over. This is about as beautiful as it gets on any trail in the world. Taking a break, got my Pro Bar, and here's my view. So I'm up to the cliffs. You can see the trail kind of goes up here, and it goes through a very tight switchbacks up here and then over. So there's a better look. You go right up through here and over. Lots of switchbacks, baby. Such a nice day. So pretty. So thankful to be here. Just shows you some of the switchbacks. Goes all the way down. You can see those girls walking down. Goes up around there and over into that valley where I came from. Well, there's got to be a snowfield before you get to the summit. A day without snow is like a day without sunshine. Yeah, baby. Bishop Pass. Today's lunch is the old standby turkey, cheese, tortilla, mustard. And here's my view.